Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to place your first bet on 1xbet. Alright guys, so this video I'll be showing you how to actually place your first bet using the 1xbet website on PC step by step. This guide is beginner friendly and easy to follow, but a quick disclaimer before we begin. In order to begin betting, you need to understand that there is betting responsibly and there's taking risk. Betting responsibly is where you only use money you can afford to lose, and taking risk just simply means taking risk. We all know what a risk is. All right, so moving forward, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So first go to the 1xbet website or app and create an account. That is currently where I am. Mine is 1xbet. And then just go ahead and click on registration here. Click on registration and you can register via phone, email, social network, and messengers. I believe that has to do with Google, Twitter, and Telegram. All right, so we'll be going via email for this. And now you could choose a welcome bonus. That's if you're looking to get a deposit in your local currency, that's for the first deposit that is up to this amount, you're going to get a bonus. And then there's also the casino option, and then there's the option to reject bonuses and things of that nature. So I'll just leave it on the default. Now you could your country is based off of your IP. So if you're going to be, using a different country, I would suggest making use of a VPN and then selecting your region. So just go ahead and enter your region where you're currently located, and let's just, get started. All right. So I'm going to select a region and then a city. Let's go with this. And then for your email, go ahead and enter an email that's, connected to your Google account, and then also a phone number, and then a first name, a surname, a sex, and then a password. And then you're going to re enter your password and then use a promo code if you have one. Now, the promo code could be your friend's registration code, things of that nature, and then just simply hit register. So, I already have an account. So, on my case, I'm going to be logging in via my email and password. All right, guys. So, I'll show you what comes up next once you've logged in. All right, guys. So this is where you're dropped when you've signed into your account. Once you've created a new account, you're dropped at this menu here where you're asked to deposit. So in order to start your business with 1xbet, you have to deposit. You have to deposit via the payment options that are provided. You could go with either payment cards, e-wallets, self-service terminals like QuickTeller, internet banking, prepaid cards, bank transfers, and USSD. So you could go with any of these options that are available to you. Now on this My Wallet and Bets, you can also, withdraw your funds. Once you're done here, you can withdraw your funds, and that's via the other options like, banks and stuff. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing is choosing a sport or event. So simply select what you want to bet on. You could do this by heading over to sports and clicking on bet on your national team. We're going to be leaving the deposit page and heading over to bets. Let's go, and now we can see all the bets that are available, some for the national team, some for international tournaments. Prospective fights, we have Israel Adesanya versus Alex Pereira. This is happening on the 31st, but that's a long time coming. But currently we just have this. This is happening in a few hours from now. So you can simply bet on, the home team to win, that's team one, and team two to win as well. The odds of team one to win are higher, which means they are likely not going to win this round. And a draw is much, much higher because no one expects a draw out of this competition. All right, so in order to place your bets, all you need to do is just go ahead and pick a side. So either you're picking W1, that's team one, or team two, or a draw, and you can also compound your bets. All right, so all you need to do now in order to place a bet is quite easy. Just click on what you want. So let's click on this. You can see it's set to single bet, and then the overall odds are set to 3.97. And then the stake amount is going to be in your local currency. It could be in US dollar, GBP, whatever currency you use. And you could take this up to however you want. And then we set it to 800,000 of the Nigerian naira, a maximum stake of 55, 600 here, and then accept if odd increases. You could confirm this, you could accept any changes, and then you could add promo codes so you earn more. But mainly you're going to be earning a lot of money if the bets actually goes through, that you're going to be multiplying this amount by the overall odds, and then that's what you're going to be getting as soon as the game is done. It also includes extra bonuses, but you're going to have to, deposit as well. All right. So besides that, we also have multiple bets. So multiple bets are, like I said, just go ahead and keep placing them. They'll begin. It will now switch from single to accumulator. So let's say let's say we're expecting a straight win from Zimbabwe, and then on the international tournament front at Tunisia, let's go with this. And okay, this is set to only single bets. So let's close out of here. So as you can see, we have a couple of bets. We have three bets running from three different events. And now all you need to do here, you can see the odds, and this is the potential win if everything goes through as planned. The maximum stake is set to 6,750, so you have to drop it to the amount. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to place your bets. I believe they have a way of boxing in all of these activities, so you don't actually, uh, you know, overbet or lose too much. Now, this is for the Nigerian space. You could set it to any other country, like let's say we want to check out bets from Spain. So all you need to do is just use the slider till you find Spain and go ahead and click on Spain. Now on Spain, you can see for football, you can see all the games they're having. On the 3rd of April, Rayo Vallecano face Elche. You could just simply set it as a draw and add it to your existing ticket. Real Betis, you could add it there. You could add Real Madrid versus Mallorca. Let's say it ends in a draw. And Real Sociedad versus Levante United. We could keep it at this. Now, one thing you need to know is you could get a more in-depth view on them. You could have a look at their probability of winning. You could see it here. I also believe also an option to check out their standings in the table. You can see where they are. You can see how they are performing in their specific league, and you can see more about the team by clicking on this option here. All right, so let's say we want to see more about Real Sociedad. So this is their recent games, and these are their recent meetings. So you can probably gauge who would win from this interaction here. You could see their recent games. You could see their recent games against Villarreal. They lost. They lost to Real Sociedad. They lost to Atletico. They beat Bilbao and they beat Mallorca. So that's two wins out of five in 5 games. All right, so once you're done setting up your things, just scroll through and click on deposit here and potentially stake, and you're done. You've actually won a lot of money. All right, guys, so please bet responsibly and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.